Croeso to Learn Welsh Cardiff. In this video, we would like to help you find a course that would suit you best. As you may know, we offer many different types of courses, and whilst considering which course would be best for you, it's worth looking at the different factors of every course. This will ensure that you get the best possible learning experience with us. In this video, I will be talking about 4 different types of courses: completing half a level in 1 year, completing a whole level in 1 year, blended learning courses, and fast-track courses. Let's start with the half a level in 1 year. To complete this type of course, you only need to attend the classroom once a week. This course is very slow-paced and suits people who would like to learn Welsh as a hobby. Also, who find that they prefer to process the information they've learnt in class over time. To complete a whole level in 1 year, you need to attend a class at least twice a week. To get the most out of your course, it's important that you attend as many classes as possible, so good self-discipline really helps. Also, it's worth looking at your year ahead to see if you think attending 2 classes a week would be possible. A blended learning course allows you to complete a whole level in 1 year by studying 25% of the course online and the other 75% of the course in the classroom. This appeals to some as it means that you only need to attend a classroom once a week. However, it's very important to complete the online work before attending every class. We recommend that you set aside at least 1 hour every week to complete the online work. It's also important that you have access to a computer, as this type of course can't be completed on a phone or a tablet. A fast-track course allows you to complete up to 2 levels and a half of Welsh in 1 year. To achieve this, you need to attend the class 3 or even 4 times a week. Before booking on this type of course, it's worth thinking about your year ahead and considering whether this is a possibility or not. As the course is fast-paced, you learn a lot in every lesson, and so it's worth attending as many classes as you possibly can. Of course, our tutors will do their very best to help you catch up if you do miss any classes here and there. But it's important that you have good self-discipline and also the ability to learn and remember lots of information in a short period of time. Now that you understand what each course entails, take a look at our webpage to find a course that suits you. If you have any questions or queries, you're very welcome to contact us. Also, this video is part of a series. Take a look at the other videos to learn more about the types of courses we offer and what you will learn on the entry level. Hwyl am y tro!